Okay, now to do the reverse, getting the bike down. That's one thing I missed. You cannot lift the front without the back being lifted. You need the bike completely stable before even trying to attempt to lift the front. This is probably even more sketchy than lifting it up. Just getting it back down. Again, it's my first time doing it. A little worried, but it's gone smooth so far. So let's start with the front. Maybe I'll have my hand on the bar just to stabilize it more. But I know I'm probably gonna need both hands on this lift because it was quite heavy getting it up, so I'm assuming it's going to be a little bit slow getting it back down. So I'll do it this way and see what happens. Just as long as the rear is perfectly stable, I think I'll be okay. So yep, as I thought, it's quite hard. Wow. My goodness, that was super sketchy. Whew. But the front wheel is down. Before just pulling it all out, just make sure that you're gonna have clearance and not scratch up your plastics once again. So I'm just gonna take it off the hole there and lift it out. Alright, done. Again, first time doing it, gotta be super careful. I'm sure it'll get easier the more and more you try it. I'll put this right back where it is. It's back on, and there she is. Next up is the back. I'm gonna keep that block right there. That's exactly where kickstand is going to go forward. I'm gonna keep this here as well because I've never moved it, so I'm hoping that when I bring it down, this is going to just level itself out here, so I don't have to worry about anything. I am going to move this out of the way just so that nothing is in the way. So I'm gonna keep my body on this side and lower it while I'm on this side, while I'm hanging on to the rear subframe. Alrighty. Okay, so lift this puppy up so it brings the bike naturally forward, and I'm going to do it really slowly here. Okay, the wheel is on the ground. I'm still got pressure on this so it doesn't roll or anywhere, but it looks like that is perfectly placed where it's supposed to be, and the kickstand is on the block. This is perfect. I don't have to worry anything about this. I can now let go, and it's still solid. This idea right here is just genius. You don't have to worry about tipping over this way, and this side is the kickstand is right there on a block, and we can just leave it like that and we're good to go. And final removal, I am going to leave that there because I'm going to lean the bike out this way, and kickstand is quite good, and voila. So good. That was so easy and safe. And this is brilliant. Now you know. I've never seen anybody do this yet, but I'm sure somebody has thought of it, but thought I'd make a video out of it. Great. Please leave a like if you found these videos informative, and subscribe if you want to.